Hi. It's autofocus. I would think, yeah. I currently bought this camera for a lot of reasons. And one of it is that the reason why I bought this camera is that I was planning to shoot. Pinakaunang reason talaga noon was that my phone, this phone, is wala ng storage. So, naging reason ko siya na bumili ng camera. So, at that time, I didn't have enough money. And I was challenged by myself na parang, if I want this kind of camera, I can, alam mo yun, like, kapag may isang bagay na gusto ko talagang i-achieve, I can do it. Stuff like that. And then, yun yung pinakaunang reason ko bakit na nagkaroon ako ng gantong camera. So, it's a Sony ZV-1. I'm not sure. Sony ZV-1. So, Sony ZV-1 siya. And then, yun yung pinaka-main reason about that. Because my phone was out of storage and nahihirapan ako mag-create ng content. Probably. Kahit ngayon, like, bumabalik na naman yung sakit niya. And then the second thing is that yung purpose ng camera talaga nito is to maximize or to invest dito sa camera ng worth more than 40k plus, and to also maximize this gadget so that I could earn more so that I could, create courses, create contents that are more quality, high quality contents, and also venture out sa YouTube, which is, alam nyo naman na it is a platform where you can monetize your videos aside from TikTok. Yun. So, yun yung parang pinaka-reason why I bought this stuff. I was able to use this camera for quite some time, like ilang beses pa lang, mostly sa school, pero kadalasan sa personal brand ko or more on career stuff. And maybe yung pinaka main challenge ko here is that parang there's this perfectionism mindset na kailangan dapat all set, na kailangan dapat naka-tripod, na kailangan dapat, alam mo yun, like, I need everything to be perfect first before I shoot on this camera. And right now, I am just breaking that, belief or barrier na I just had this idea na I need to pick up that damn camera. I just shoot something kahit hindi ko alam kung ano yung dapat kong sabihin, or alam yun, because lately I've been having this more like analysis paralysis kung bakit ko ba ito binili and kung bakit hindi ko pa siya usually nagagamit. And I also had this challenge to myself earlier that I want to use this more than my phone for filming stuff. Kasi ayun naman talaga yung purpose niya. So, yeah. Like, I need to break that perfectionism barrier. Second thing is that I think it's more on the progress talaga. And also, nandun talaga yung friction pagdating sa pagsta-start ng isang bagay rather than continuing. Kasi like right now, like, I'm shooting this video, effortless na siya, pero kanina ang lakas ng friction na nafi-feel ko when I didn't I didn't record the video, like hindi ko pinush yung button, like I think mga 5 to 10 minutes muna akong nakatutok dito sa camera tapos hindi naman siya nagfi-film kasi ang daming thoughts na nag-stop sa'yo to do that action. So, yung second point there is that progress is always talaga better than being perfectionist. And you have to start something kahit hindi ka pa ready. Something like that. And then I think third lastly is that yung purpose lang bakit ko ginagawa yung video na to, or di kaya bakit ko ginawa to in the first place, where I just had this idea right now, like at this time, maybe popost ko din to, was that to show that if you challenge yourself talaga, something, like I am currently challenging myself na I will use more on this camera, kasi sayang din naman kasi binili mo tapos hindi mo gagamitin. And at the same time, I have this vision that I need to maximize and ROI this camera first before I make another big decision in my life. This is not, this is for me as a college student or someone na nagsisimula sa career, is already a big purchase or already a big decision na I was able to buy this, and right now hindi ko siya na ma-maximize, or right now hindi ko siya nagagamit masyado. So yeah, maybe that's the purpose of this video. That's the purpose kahit wala akong microphone. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly, and I just created this video for myself, and I also want to post this on my YouTube video or YouTube channel. And wala lang. This is just me documenting stuff right now, and to see 5-10 years from now kung ano na yung growth na meron ako pagdating sa kung ano man yung magiging growth ko in nung pag 30 ko. I just wanna have something na tangible na makikita ko talaga na I will see my growth if I turn 30 years old or more. So yeah, after this, I will just upload this on my YouTube, and I don't care. Like, I challenge myself, and I really do challenge myself to film more dito sa camera na to. And yeah, to use this more. Because, anyways, and to do more documentation, I think. To do more documentation, to do more realization videos for me or maybe sa ibang tao din. And who knows, baka makatulong din siya sa ibang tao. So, I think that's it. I hope you learned, I don't know. I don't know if you learned something, but yeah, I'm happy that I took this chance and took this action after ko maisip na kailangan kong i-grab yung camera na to and just start something. Just like what I always said, that you don't need to be great to start, you just have to start to be great. Yan talaga palagi yung ina-apply ko. So yun lang. I think that's it. Maybe I'm gonna film more contents from here. I will. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.